Hi Leo, so welcome to this your quick oracle reading. Andito tayo ngayon sa Burnham Park in Baguio. So your deity is, we have here Uranus. Yeah, para makita mo. So you know what? You know, it's a good time to have a real change in your life. Ando na siguro na in every change kasi nakakatakot eh. Kasi andoon na syempre bago, hindi mo alam ano yung kasunod, unpredictable. Pero just like yung kanta ni Elsa nga, di ba? Into the unknown. And into the unknown that you are being called by the universe. Bakit sa unknown? Because that is where freedom is, that is where improvement is. Andito yung point na kung saan pwedeng all the possibilities are available. It's endless. And ito yung moment that the sky's the limits. But, decision ngayon, a question ko lang sa'yo, will you go to the distance? Will you go into the unknown? Nagita sa universe ko. So, hope nakatuloy yung reading sa'yo and I'll see you on our next video.